In this video I will explain you how can you fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working. First up, you will need to log in into your Monopoly Go account. After that, you will need to turn on the airplane mode and you will need to make sure that your data and Wi-Fi are turned off. After that, you need to roll the dice. And if you like the roll, as you can see here, you will need to turn off your airplane mode. If you don't like the roll, you will need to leave the Monopoly Go app, hold down on the app on the home screen, click the three little dots at the corner and go to the app info. You will need to clear the data, and after that you will need to turn airplane mode off and look back into your Monopoly Go account, and everything should be fine. Well, this is the tutorial, guys. I hope that this video will help you and we will see in the next videos.